In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the payment for the bills that we have entered in QuickBooks. So let's get started. Alright, next transaction is also of 18 January and it says paid Mr. Ali by check of Standard Chartered Bank. So we are settling the partial amount. His total invoice was of 45,000, out of which we are settling 30,000. So let's see how we can do this in QuickBooks. So I'll open the pay bills and from here I can see the invoice of Mr. Ali. So let's select Mr. Ali. His total invoice amount was 45,000, out of which we are settling 30,000. So that's about it. And the transaction is of 18 January by check. So just choose check here and choose Standard Chartered Bank. Click OK. Now let's click pay selected bills and done. Now, if I want to check the journal entry, how can I check that? In that case, I'll go to the vendors section and I'll choose Ali here. Here I can see this transaction, which is bill payment and check. So just double click on it. And from here, I'll go to reports and click on transaction journal reports. So the entry is Standard Chartered credit and accounts payable debit. So we are settling the accounts payable. So that's it. This is how you can make the payment of the bills in QuickBooks.